Now they just turned my camera off. Oh my God, look at these birds. There's like 100 of them flying right over me. Oh my God, we gotta get home. I'm in a bad Stephen King movie. Starbuck, you are the worst guard dog ever. I swear to God. Fly to the sun, guys. Fly to the sun. It's that creepy thing over there. Whoa. Okay. Okay, these things are gonna like land on us real soon. How many do you think there are, girl? And why are they circling over our heads? Your sun's going bye-bye. Creepy, creepy, creepy. Okay. We gotta get out of here for these